You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is r equal or greater than 10. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 9 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the r into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is r equal or greater than 10.